Hello and welcome to WebAdmin Advanced Menu Configuration. In this session, we will focus on the specific settings in WebAdmin that are used to configure your online menus. Prerequisites for configuring advanced settings are that you have access to WebAdmin and that you have either a client admin or client support role assigned to you. Since this session covers advanced WebAdmin settings for menu configuration, the assumption is that you already have one or more menus created for your company. Let's take a look at today's agenda. First on the agenda is a brief introduction to WebAdmin. Next, we will go over configuring advanced settings for menu configuration, such as downloading Menu Configurator, site menu assignment, menu settings, and exclusions. Introduction to WebAdmin. WebAdmin is an above-store dashboard that controls how the website will look and operate in collaboration with your in-store operations. It is the primary tool used to configure your website and allows you to control the features and behaviors of the website. The URL for WebAdmin is https://admin1.alohaorderonline.com. WebAdmin requires that you have a login account. If you do not have a login account, contact your local sales representative. You will need either a client admin role or a client support role to make the configuration changes as outlined in this session. After login, you will be asked to select a company and a role. Selecting a company and a role will bring you to the Orders Review page in WebAdmin, which is listed under Order Management on the menu bar at the top of the screen. Each selection on the menu bar has a drop-down list containing several configuration choices for each selection. In this session, we will only cover those configurations that pertain to online menus. To download Menu Configurator, you must first log into WebAdmin using Internet Explorer. WebAdmin will run on any browser, but you can only download Menu Configurator using Internet Explorer. Microsoft.NET 4.7.2 must be installed on your Windows PC and is required to download and run Menu Configurator. Before a menu can be assigned on the website, you must first assign it to a site. Site menu assignment allows you to assign one or more menus to a site. The same menu can also be assigned to multiple sites. To access site menu assignment, select Designs on the menu bar, then select Site Menu Assignment from the drop-down list. Click the drop-down under Choose Menu and select the menu you want to assign to one or more sites. Next, select one or more sites from the Available Sites list, click Add Selected, and click Update to add the sites to the Selected Sites column. Additional menus can be selected and assigned to one or more sites. The same menu can also be assigned to different sites. Clicking Add All will move all sites under the Available Sites column over to the Selected Sites column. Be sure to click Update each time you finish selecting the sites for a particular menu. Failure to do so will not save your selections. Menu settings allow you to override a select number of company and site settings for one or more menus. The settings you can override are shown in this chart along with the default values for their setting. For further explanation of each of these settings, please refer to the Aloha Online Ordering User Guide. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's examine Menu Lead Time Days. Menu Lead Time Days is a company setting that specifies the minimum number of days in the future a customer can place an order. The default value for the setting is blank, which means there are no future day restrictions placed on any menus at the company level. Let's look at the following scenario. You have a site with two menus. One is your regular or standard menu, and the other is a catering menu. If you apply a menu lead time days of 2 days at the company level, it will be applied to both menus. The first available time a customer can select for pickup or delivery would be 2 days in the future at the first available time slot for that day, regardless of which menu is chosen. If, on the other hand, menu lead time days is applied to the catering menu only, the setting will not have any effect on your regular store menu. But the first available time slot for a customer placing a catering order would be 2 days out at the first available time slot for that day. To configure menu settings, select Designs, then select Menu Settings from the drop-down list. Under the Choose Menu drop-down, select the menu to apply the setting to. In this example, the catering menu is chosen. Next, click Add Menu Setting and enter the setting, then enter the value. In this case, menu lead time days is entered as the setting and 2 for the value in days. Click Update to finish adding the setting. As you can see, menu lead time days is applied to the catering menu only. None of the other menus are affected by the setting. Exclusions allow you to influence what gets displayed on the menu for the online ordering website. They allow you to exclude items or elements such as submenus, menu items, or sales item options that are normally displayed at all locations from being displayed on the menu at a selected location or locations. To configure exclusions, select Designs on the menu bar, then move the cursor over Exclusions in the drop-down list. This will bring up a listing of the different types of exclusions available in WebAdmin. There are 3 types of site exclusions: submenu, menu item, and sales item. Site exclusions allow you to exclude submenus, menu items, or sales items from being displayed at one or more stores at the same time. Exclusion by site allows you to exclude the same elements, except on a site-by-site basis. If you have your site set up in site groups, you can exclude menu items or sales items from a group of stores at one time. Sales item options allow you to hide a modifier item from a particular store or from a site group. For this demonstration, we will look at submenu site exclusions. First, we will select Designs from the menu bar, then go down to Exclusions and select Submenu Site Exclusions from the drop-down list. This will bring up a listing of all the submenus and their corresponding submenu IDs. The referencing menu is the menu or menus where each submenu is being used. The checkboxes under Visible let you know whether or not the submenu is visible on the website. Clicking the drop-down will allow you to filter by checked or unchecked. You cannot check or uncheck the visible box in WebAdmin. This can only be done in Menu Configurator. Excluded site count let you know that a particular submenu has been excluded from the menu at one or more sites. Clicking the Info button on the far right-hand side of each submenu will show you which site or sites the submenu is excluded from. This concludes Web Admin Advanced Menu Configuration. Thank you.